Are you tired of pasting ugly, long URLs in your emails? Learn how to create clean, clickable links in Gmail in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type. Follow these 7 simple steps to turn any text into a hyperlink. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Click the Compose button in the top left corner to open a new email. Now type the text you want to turn into a clickable link. Then, highlight that text with your mouse. Next, click the Insert Link icon at the bottom of the Compose window. In the web address field, paste or type the website address and press Enter. And just like that, the selected text now appears as a clickable hyperlink. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.